Hello, I'm Robert Powell. I've put together the presentation that you are viewing to introduce you to my environmental consulting company, Powell & Associates, and myself. I hope you find enough of interest to you here that you'll finish this short introductory movie and then explore the other materials I've provided. I've made an effort to keep the information clear, obvious, and readily accessible to expedite your learning about my company. Powell & Associates is an environmental consulting company specializing in novel yet cost-effective focused solutions for environmental issues and problems, data exploration to elucidate unseen trends and patterns, awareness and integration of sound scientific principles from project onset through completion, and honesty in our assessments, opinions, and solutions. There are a lot of environmental consultants in the U.S. and throughout the world, a lot of competition, not to be taken lightly. But I developed Powell & Associates because there were too many consultants with cookie-cutter responses to special environmental problems. Often these consultants did not even observe or notice the factors that made these problems special, and the generic cookie-cutter solution is all too often a failure, either in terms of environmental goals or cost effectiveness. Repeatedly, I noticed that large environmental firms were winning bids with highly experienced personnel, but then putting rookie personnel on the front lines of the issues they were contracted to address. This approach results in excessive on-the-job training, increasing costs for clients, and it creates the potential for the inexperienced project personnel to overlook valuable clues in the environmental scenario, as well as data that could lead to an earlier understanding of the issues and a faster resolution. There was also too much willingness by environmental firms to try to tell their clients what they think they wanted to hear. This is a dishonest approach that can create distrust both with the client and potentially with regulators, and it almost always costs the client more money because the yes-man approach usually fails to achieve the needed results, requiring further commitments of resources for new approaches. I have learned that virtually no two environmental situations are even approximately the same. Although one can consider site similarities in the context of pollutants, histories, geography, geology, etc., there are always differences, usually major differences that will impact the most effective way to come to grips with and resolve the problem. I work to determine the similarities with previously addressed sites and issues while integrating the differences into an overall package that considers what are likely to be the most important changes in approach that will increase the likelihood of a successful project outcome. I limit the projects that are undertaken by Powell & Associates to those that I feel fall within the purview of education, expertise, and developed knowledge of those working on the issue. In addition, I oversee every project from inception to completion, often doing the entire project myself if this is the best approach. This also limits the number of projects that can be simultaneously carried out. Powell & Associates is more of an environmental boutique in the context of these self-imposed limitations, rather than a traditional environmental company that will take on any project that comes its way. I want to do your project, but we'll let you know up front if it's not feasible for Powell & Associates to do it because of expertise limitations or timing. Finally, there's the issue of honesty with my clients. I'm not going to tell you what you want to hear, unless what you want to hear turns out to be supported by the facts. What I will tell you is my honest opinion about the situation at hand and the best approach for achieving the desirable outcome, whether I'm merely reviewing a project report or overseeing an ongoing remedial investigation and resulting cleanup. There is simply no other way to do things properly and achieve maximized results and overall cost reductions. Powell & Associates projects have covered a wide range of environmental-related needs for our clients. Our specialty has traditionally been groundwater, but this has broadened during the past few years to include issues involving surface waters, air pollution impacts, and interfacing between various management groups to achieve resolutions to complex problems. We've had numerous clients, large and small and in between. Whether you're viewing this on a CD or on our website, links are provided to our client list and from there, projects that were accomplished for these clients. I've included a few actual reports as samples of our work, listed our areas of expertise, and provided contact information so you can get in touch with us. So if you have an environmental consulting need, give us a call or drop me an email and I'll see if we can provide you with the solution that you need. I love a good problem, so give me a good challenge. Thanks for your time.